Hey, everybody. My name's Steve Green. I am the founder and owner and director here at Make the Grade. We are a educational support, tutoring, and leadership development company. And I'm the one who's putting together this virtual workshop. I want to tell you why it's happening, and I'll tell you why you need to think about doing this. About a year ago, all of a sudden, COVID rolls in, and within a week, we're just shut down. We're basically just shut down. Can't meet with people. And it was tough because I was running a business that was about 80% face to face. Okay. I had an education and training company. I'm meeting with students, I'm meeting with clients. And I couldn't be in a situation where 80% of my revenue was gone. And I had plenty of people saying to me, yeah, I was making 60, 80, $150,000. Now I'm making 20. I'm struggling. What do I do? Well, I learned how to take my business virtual. Okay. And I'm not talking about doing a Zoom meeting. I'm not talking about running breakout groups. I'm talking about actually learning to develop business, presenting what you do, to having a deliverable that you can market and sell and collect revenue on with people. And I found it's much, much more complicated than just going online or joining a free networking group or something. So it took me about a month. Okay. It took me about a month to transition to about April 15th, middle of April, I was 100% virtual. And I'm going to say this with a little bit of hubris. I was able to take my entire business, bring it online, bring it virtual with almost not only no drop of revenue, but increased revenue from the prior year. And here's what happened. People started to notice it and they said, how'd you do this? I'm struggling. Can you show me? And I started to work with people one on one. And I started to work with people in groups. And then all of a sudden, a couple companies hired me to coach their sales teams and their people. Now, what's happening is I'm going to offer this basically to the general population as a way to learn how to take your business, make it virtual, maximize what you're doing, maintain your revenue. This is set up as an 8 session workshop. Okay. Talking about virtual, going virtual, what it takes, what it really means, how to be really competent and strong with it, how to make this transition right away, how to take your products and your services. Some people can't have trouble selling things that are virtualizable, if that's even a word. Okay. What do you need? You do have to know tech. By definition, virtual is tech based. How to get passionate, how to get your communication strong, and how to use all the things that are available. In addition to the workshop itself, which is course based, it's limited to 10 people. It's a small group, 10 people maximum. But you also get one on one support. You also get to be in a support community, a 24/7 community, and you get ongoing help. The purpose of this is simple, to give you the skills, to give you the mindset, to give you the ability you need to take your business, go virtual, and not only maintain, but increase and maximize your revenue. I'm here to help you. The group's here to help you. I hope you like what you see. Just scroll down, read through this, look at the syllabus, click on you're ready to get going. It'll take you to a page to pay. This is price to sell. I also have some ways people can do this at a lower price point if you want to reach out. Again, Dr. Stephen Green from Make the Grade. I appreciate you listening. I hope this is going to help you, and I hope you'll join the course. Thank you.